are late for your fittings.
I don't want to be in the pageant.
Don't you want to help me realize my vision?
Your work is puerile and underdramatized. You lack any sense of structure, character, or the Aristotelian unities.
But what if you met just the right man who worshipped and adored you, who'd do anything for you, who'd be your devoted slave? Then what would you do?
I'd pity him.
Psst. Hey, I made a list of all the places I want to take you. I got food, sightseeing. You're gonna love all these.
Now arriving at Embarcadero.
That's our stop. Let's go.
Why are you dressed like that?
Like what?
Like you're going to a funeral. Why are you dressed like somebody died?
Wait.